Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.9, Problem 5. This is Section 4.9, Problem 5. It says find the interest owed on a $1,400 simple interest loan if the money is borrowed for 2 years at 8% simple interest. So, first of all, with any of the questions from this section, what you need to do is determine which one of the two formulas you need to use. There's two formulas in this section. One is for simple interest and one is for compound interest. So as you read through the question, it should clearly state which one, and this one does. It says simple interest. So that's our starting point. We will start with I equals PRT, and we'll fill that in. I is the interest usually earned from the lender's point of view. This is an investment. They're going to get their $1,400 back plus some interest. P is the principal or initial amount. So for this problem, it's $1,400. R is the rate as a decimal. So our rate is 8%, but as a decimal, that's written 0.08. And then T is time in years. It must be in years. And in this case, it is. If it's in months or any other form, you have to convert it to years. But this one is 2 years, so that's T. And now that'll calculate the interest. Now, if your teacher allows you to use a calculator for this class, and most teachers do for this section because the numbers get really big, especially for the compound interest. I mean, these you could multiply by hand, but the calculator is easier. Just turn on your calculator, multiply 1,400 times 0.08. That's going to come out to 112. Just leave that on the screen, then multiply times 2, hit equals, and you'll get 224. That's the answer. So that's the amount of interest that's owed on that loan. So to do a nice job, I'll put a dollar symbol, $224 and no cents. So whoever the borrower is will have to pay the lender back the $1,400 plus an extra $224 for the convenience of having the loan.